How to send hidden messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Scroll down and open any chat from here. Go to the text bar below and type in any message. Then, tap and hold the Send button beside it. You can view the different effects over here. Choose any effect that you like. For example, send with invisible ink. And then, tap on the Send button. As you can see, you have now sent this text with the invisible ink effect. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily send hidden messages on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.